if we'd have played better, then that wouldn't have happened. You know, it's things like that don't bother me. You know, that's like, you know, you do something wrong, and then, you know, if a player's does something wrong, and then he's mad at the teammate that told on him that he did it wrong. Well, he should have never done it wrong to begin with. I mean, we had a chance to win that game, and we didn't do it. And he did do a back flip, and I watched it on tape, and I thought it was beautiful form. I thought he tucked just at the right time and got full extension, and I thought it was very impressive. That's exactly right. But the thing I liked about it was, you guys won't think this, I liked him at K-State. The guy doesn't make a shot, and he controls the game. You know, so those are the things that I like seeing, because I don't think as a point guard you can base your performance on whether the ball goes in or not. You still got to figure out a way to help your team win, and I think he's doing a pretty good job of that. I would say the answer is probably no. I would think that he knows that Joe is one of the few kids that actually sees things objectively about himself. You know, we can look at it's hard. You can't be objective about your own children. That's impossible. But he's actually objective about himself on where he is. And I think that's one thing so he can study himself, say, you know what, I should be doing this or I should be doing that. So I don't think his play would surprise himself at all. If anything, I think he would say, well, just wait, I can do a lot more. Well, I think it gives us confidence, because we went on the road and won at a couple of tough places. And we got a good home win, you know, sandwiched in between them. But I think we needed the confidence, because we haven't really had a chance to get a lot of it yet this year. So I think it's important that I think we're probably as confident as we've been any point in time this year, and that doesn't guarantee we're going to play good. But I think our guys' minds are in the right spot right now.